Some carpets are more than objects. They carry time, craftsmanship, and memories. But years of use, moisture, improper care, and repeated cleaning had left this hand-knotted carpet severely damaged. Its edges were weakened, frayed, and slowly disappearing. But the goal was never to make it look new. The goal was to save what remained. The damaged sections were carefully removed, and the restoration began. With carefully matched wool and traditional handwork, the edges were rebuilt, one stitch, one thread, one movement at a time. There are no shortcuts, only patience, experience, and generations of craftsmanship. Because the finest restoration does not erase age. It preserves what makes a carpet irreplaceable. A damaged carpet can be restored. A piece of history can be protected. A legacy can continue. Royal Carpet Restorations. Restoring the legacy of carpets across materials, regions, and generations.